Whooping cough is on the rise in the UK as experts have warned about the dangers of 100-day cough for babies and children. Cases of the highly contagious bacterial infection have spiked. Data from the UK Health Security Agency, UKSA, shows there have been 716 suspected infections in England and Wales between July and November, a 250% rise when compared to last year. The NHS says whooping cough can make babies and young children in particular very ill. While the illness is less severe in older children and adults, it may cause other issues from hernias to urinary incontinence. Whooping cough symptoms. If you catch the respiratory infection, the first signs of whooping cough are like the cold. The symptoms may begin with a runny nose and sore throat, although a high temperature is uncommon. After about a week, you or your child will get coughing bouts that last for a few minutes and are worse at night. May make a whoop sound, a gasp for breath between coughs. Young babies and some adults may not whoop, may have difficulty breathing after a coughing bout and may turn blue or gray. Young infants may bring up a thick mucus, which can make you vomit. May become very red in the face, more common in adults. Dangerous whooping cough signs for babies and children. Whooping cough can be dangerous, according to the NHS. And amid the rise in cases, health chiefs have urged pregnant women to get vaccinated to protect their children. The whooping cough jab is part of routine NHS vaccinations, with the first recommended at 8 weeks, but babies who are too young to start vaccinations are particularly vulnerable. The NHS says, whooping cough, pertussis, rates have risen sharply in recent years and babies who are too young to start their vaccinations are at greatest risk. The cough may last for several weeks or months. Babies under 6 months old have an increased chance of having problems like dehydration, breathing difficulties, pneumonia, seizures, fits. For adults, the infection is less severe in older children and adults, but coughing may cause problems including sore ribs, hernia, middle ear infections, pee leaking out when you cough, urinary incontinence. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.